Mama just got ready and laid down, and here they all are. They look bigger. Some of them are tiny. I'm missing the half pint. But yeah, Tony's right behind. Believe it or not, that cat is from March 6th. And then over to my left is a girl orange. Out of both litters, we've had 7 orange, and only 1 is a girl. It's rare, I guess. They're not very common. So I've spent my day reading up on genes and X, Y chromosomes. And so this new litter that was mated with the Maine Coon, which is why they're so... Look at this little Stay Puft dude. He is like starving. And this one on the end is really, really big. This gray one, you can see some of the markings coming through. Has a heart on his head. Yeah, I'm not sure which is the girl, but this is the best mama ever. This is Ella. And she just is always there watching. And here's her son, Tony, who's bigger than she is now. And they were 4 weeks Friday. This Friday they will be 5 weeks. This mama has given birth to 2 litters of 7. And her nickname is Itty Bitty. She's a solid color with... I think she may have a little striping, but she definitely, from what I read, carries the orange gene. So anyone she made... Ooh. Guess we're getting a thunderstorm, guys. Oh, Mama's like, wait a minute here. What's that, Hal? Hi, Tony. Rosie's over there sleeping. So Rosie is special. That's what I was told. I gotta go. My dogs are out. All right, have a great day, everyone.